Hi, I'm Paul Anderson from Grammatech. We're here at Embedded World in booth 4-423. What I'm demonstrating today is our tool Code Sonar. It's a static analysis tool whose primary purpose is to find bugs in software. What you see here is just a list of the bugs that it's found in a little program. You can see that it finds things like places where the program strays into undefined behavior, such as memory leaks, buffer overruns, data races, the kinds of serious problems that can make your life miserable should they show up in a deployed product in the field. The key thing about static analysis is that it can find these bugs really early in the development cycle, at which point they're cheaper to fix and easier to deal with all around. So you can see in this chart, I'm just showing you a bunch of things that it's found. I'm very fond of showing a buffer overrun in here that demonstrates the capabilities of the product very nicely. So this is so there are several buffer overruns in this code. This one at the bottom here is the one that is good to show, and this is cool to look at because it's the kind of bug that can show up in software that's really difficult to find just by looking at the code. So here's what you see. This is a path through the code that shows what must happen if this bug is to actually occur in an executing program. You can see that this text on here explains what the analysis has concluded about this. And you can read all this and interpret it, and it quickly takes you to this line, which is where the bug actually shows up. In this line, the problem is that +1 is on the wrong side of that parenthesis. So it's the kind of bug that you could stare at for hours and not see because it just looks harmless. So we're really good at finding that kind of thing. And we integrate with other tools like your build system, with your continuous integration. You can set it up to integrate with your bug tracking system and so on to help a group of people organize themselves at getting rid of these bugs once they've been found.